coached Eddie to lose 25 pounds in 90 days. I coached Sid to lose 50 pounds in 4 months. I coached Cameron to lose 75 pounds in less than 6. Derek down 100 pounds in less than 9 months. And I coached his brother Daryl to lose over 150 pounds in less than a year. Not with some crazy diet or some wild workout program. I helped these brothers become disciplined with only 3 exercises and 3 food rules. My brother, if you have been struggling with your weight for over 5 years, it is not because of some diet plan that you need to follow or some magical workout program, because you have lost weight before. And if you just would have been consistent with what you were doing, you wouldn't be here right now, which means somewhere along the way you lost discipline. If you would have just stayed consistent. And the question is, why? Well, it's because of all of the stress that we brothers have on our plate, trying to make good money and level up inside of our career, trying to be a good husband and be the best for our wife, trying to be the absolute best father. And because of this, we sacrificed and neglected ourselves, our health. But at the end of the day, there are no excuses, because I am in control of my life. No one is making me shove food down my throat. No one is making me binge eat. No one is making me overeat. No one is making me drink too much alcohol on a daily basis. No one is stopping me from going to the gym and working out. But only I can help myself fix this. And my brother, if you are serious, I will help you help yourself. Because inside of my Discipline Club membership, I'm not just going to help you get consistent with exercise. I'm not just going to help you get in control of food. The first step to this membership is I am going to surround you. I'm going to put you back in that same type of environment that you had when you played sports, when you woke up every day and you are motivated. When you join the Discipline Club, I guarantee you that you are going to be motivated every single day, because you are going to be seeing brothers like you working out every day, eating right every day, brothers that have 3 kids, brothers that work 70 hours a week, brothers that are in corporate, brothers that are execs, brothers that are doctors, brothers that are high achievers and want more out of life, that are working out and taking care of themselves every day, that are going to give you the same motivation you had when you played sports. Step number 2, I am going to train you on a disciplined mindset. See, this is not a physical game. This is a game of mental. The body is only going to do what the mind tells it. And whatever happened the last time you lost weight that went wrong, it wasn't your body, it was your mind. I'm going to train you every day on my discipline principles that are going to help you understand how to stay consistent mentally, therefore creating discipline physically. Finally, step number 3, I am going to help you fix your weight with only 3 exercises. My brother, I'm not just going to teach you how to do these 3 exercises. I am going to hold you accountable to do them every single day. No days off. Every day you're going to wake up and do these 3 exercises. No excuses. And because of it, you're going to create consistency. And because of that consistency, all we got to worry about then is food. Inside of step number 4, I am going to coach you on how to fix your weight while eating out, while not following a strict diet, with only 3 food rules. These rules are going to apply anywhere and everywhere, and all you have to do is follow them every single day. The men that I've helped with my Discipline Club membership, with my discipline training, with the 3 exercises and the 3 food rules, are down anywhere from 25 pounds to 150 pounds, all in less than a year. Some in 9 months, some in 6 months, some in 90 days. Where would you be right now if you were disciplined? Where would you be right now if you worked out every day and if you watched what you ate every single day? Where would you be in 3, 6, 9 months, 1 year? My brother, we are about to find out, because you are about to join the most powerful membership on the planet for us brothers who want to fix our weight and our health and become the man that we deserve, that our wives deserve, that our kids deserve. Click below to join my Discipline Club membership, and I'll see you on the other side. Fight or die.